welcome back. As I mentioned in the previous video, in today's video I'll be telling you about the series I started on my channel. The first one is the handy perspectives. This is all about some topics. I select a topic and I tell my perspective about that particular thing, and is along with the story. So yes, this is all about that particular series, and I uploaded the first video of the series on 19th Feb 2020, and I've uploaded 15 videos of that series until now. But yes, I'm planning to shift this series to my second channel, that is Sushi's World, because it's mainly general topics and not based on handmade gifts or DIY. So, but still I'm confused. So, y'all tell me if I have to keep it in this channel or shift it to Sushi's World. Tell me in the comments. And yes, I uploaded 15 videos as I already told. Coming to next series, that is Love for Handmade. This is all about handmade gifts, and I ask people to tell their views on handmade gifts or answer a few questions about it, and I upload it on this series. So the first ever video I uploaded of the series was on 6th Jan 2021. I have planned about this series for almost 1 year, and finally on 6th Jan I uploaded the first video, and until now I uploaded 8 videos of this series. So yes, this is all about the series I started on my channel. Do let me know about the handy perspectives if you all want it here, or if you want me to shift it to Sushi's World, as Sushi's World is all general, all in one channel. If you've not seen it, then do see it. The link is in the description below. Yes, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye. Wait a second. I know I ended, but yes, as I already reminded you yesterday, I'll remind you today as well. Tomorrow I'll be doing a live and really celebrating the 5 years of Handy Gifts. Do join it, don't forget, don't miss it. I'm sure you won't regret it, so do join. Good night.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.